We had an HP laptop come in today, and the issue with this computer is that there is no power. It's a DOA, which is dead on arrival. If I hit the power button, can't get this computer to turn on, and if I even hook it up to the charger, there's absolutely no power going on this computer. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be performing a data extraction by removing the hard drive, and the customer had purchased a new computer, and we're going to be doing a setup with a data migration to that new computer for them. Okay, so to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up this computer, get a look at the inside, locate the drive, and pull it out. Alright, so I've already removed the screws so that we have quicker access to the computer. And wow, take a look at that battery. That is a very swollen battery. Okay. Alright, so if we look around, we actually have the SSD. In this computer, there's a solid state drive, not a mechanical hard drive. So this is going to be an M.2 SSD. So let's get this pulled out and take it over to the tech bench and get the data migration started off to an external hard drive. While we're doing that, we'll go ahead and set up the new computer. Okay, so here we are. I've got the SSD pulled out. And this drive is a little bit special because it's not your typical M.2 NVMe drive. And the way that we know that is because it's got two notches here. So an NVMe drive has one notch. So this is actually called a SATA M.2 instead of an NVMe M.2. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all hooked up to the dock, and let's go ahead and take a look on the tech PC if this populates for us. Okay, so I've got the drive all ready to go. It's connected to the tech PC. So let's hop over to the monitor and see if the drive populates for us. And yes, it has. So we have a complete file structure and access to all the data, which is what we wanted to see. So even though the computer is not functioning properly, we still have a drive that is working, so we have all the data. So now let's go ahead and get the new computer ready to go and prepare it for the data migration. Okay, so here I've got the new computer turned on. So I'm going to be doing an initial setup for the customer, and then we'll go ahead and migrate the data. So I completed the initial setup and installed all the Windows updates and driver packages, so this computer is now fully up to date. I've also performed a data migration from the SSD that we pulled out of the old computer, and I have all the data migrated and merged to the proper file location. In addition, I've also installed an antivirus software. It's called ESET Home Essentials. This is an all-in-one software that does internet protection as well as an antivirus protection. So this computer is now fully protected and the customer should be good to go. So at this time, the service order is now complete.